Привет, народ! С вами снова я, сержант Никита. Извините, что так долго не было серий. Дело в том, что у меня были дела, но теперь у меня их нет. И тогда мы продолжаем играть в Walking Tanks. Walking Tanks! Walking Tanks! Walking Tanks лучше всех! Да пошли вы вообще! Вы надоели мне. Сделаю громче. Клементина, ты где? Может, она там? Исчезла. Сейчас. Клементина. О, это еще что? Рисунок какой-то. О, это же я. Я сомневаюсь, что она под столом. Может быть, она на улице где-то? Так. Так, давайте-ка посмотрим. Я сомневаюсь, что она где-то наверху, поэтому давайте вниз. Ну, Клементина, маленькая моя, ты где? Да... Господи, Кенни. Чё пугаешь?
Oh, hey, you made it back. Good job. Good job. What the hell do you think you're doing? What does it look like? Where'd you get the bottle? Found it. First good thing that's happened since... Kenny, come on, give me that. Kenny, give me the damn bottle. Get the fuck away from me. Getting wasted's not gonna help anyone. Yeah? Well, what is? We are fucked.
Ой, да ты издеваешься просто.
Single boat left in Savannah. No way out. We got walkers all around us. That crazy fuck on the radio.
Короче, если хочешь, то пей. Но я это пить не буду. Я не такой... Я не алкаш. Я не алкаш. Вот ты, Кенни, самый пей. А я вообще не буду. Пьет вообще не. Ну, может, она точно на выходе. И посмотрим. Так. Она наверняка должна быть здесь. Наверняка.
Clementine? Clementine!
Так, ее там нет. Кто там? Открывай. Открывайте. Ай! Клементина! Вот это хороший удар ты сделал, молодец.
Girl, come look. Look what I found.
Что там есть? Ну-ка. Да ладно вам.
I know, right?
Блин, я хочу похвалить тебя, Клементина. Ну, наконец-то, Кенни. Убирай свое вино это. Потому что оно уже, наверное, давно просрочено. Наконец-то мы уплывем отсюда. чтобы мы никогда не... Привет. Ребят, в чем дело? Ребят, это вообще...
What's taking Kenny so damn long? How hard can it be to look over a boat?
It'll take as long as it takes, Lee. Will
Блин,
you quit
ребят,
pacing?
благодаря
You're making everyone nervous.
Клементине...
Why are you even still here?
Клементине
Hey, if your friend really can get that boat working, you're taking me with you as payment for saving your asses. I figure that's fair enough, don't you?
Только не говори, что у нас...
Well? You want the good news or the bad news? I think we could all use some good news. Good news is the boat's seaworthy enough. In pretty good shape, mostly.
Mostly?
That's the bad news. Gas tank's empty and her battery's dead. We need to fix both before she's taking us anyplace.
Well, how are we supposed to get that stuff?
We should go back out on the street, see what we can find.
Блин, ребят, надо определиться, куда мы поедем, это раз. Во-вторых, а почему только 5 мест? Почему не 6? Или не 10? Вы просто издеваетесь над нами. Еще нет ни аккумулятора, ни бензина. Еще нужны медикаменты.
Surely we have to try. If there are people left in this city who are still alive, who still have supplies, what harm can it do to ask?
Trust me, you don't know these people. I do. You showing up with a wounded man, might as well put a noose around his neck. They don't exactly welcome children with open arms either.
What the hell kind of a place are we talking about here? The worst kind? But I don't see what other choice we have.
And just how exactly do you figure we do this? Because from what I've heard, that place ain't exactly friendly to outsiders. We negotiate with them like civilized people.
Вот так.
We must have something they'd be interested in taking in trade.
Negotiate? With Crawford? Once again, I have to remind you, you have no idea what these people are like. They'll take what they
Да.
want and then decide whether or not to let any of you live.
So what? No one has any ideas?
There might actually be a way. I know the sewer system that
Да.
runs beneath Crawford like the back of my hand. Y'all wouldn't happen to have a map by any chance?
Yeah, actually.
А карта сойдет.
I think I could lead us through so we could pass under the perimeter and right
Давай,
into the
чем
center.
быстрее начнем, чем быстрее ты пойдешь
Come up
к
right
своим.
underneath them, take them by surprise, grab what we need, and get out before they even knew what hit them.
Okay, that's not bad. That's better.
I've thought about it before, just never had the people to do it. But I think if we all work together, we could pull it off.
And what do you want in return for all this help you're giving us?
Crawford doesn't just have what you need for your boat. They're also well stocked with medical supplies. Medicine that my people could use, just as yours could.
We can do this. We have to.
So, it's decided then? We're going to Crawford? How do we even know where they store their supplies?
I used to watch them from one of the bell towers just outside the perimeter. I've seen them carrying all kinds of stuff into that old Catholic school off the town square. I think they're using it as some kind of supply depot. There's a good chance we'll find what we need in there.
I don't know about you, kid, but I'd rather take a chance on doing something than just sitting around here waiting to die. That boat out there is an answered prayer. Just gotta push a little bit farther. Are you in or out?
We should go tonight, under cover of dark. I'll go let my people know. Give you all a chance to prepare. I'll be back before midnight.
Be careful.
That's how I'm still alive.
Told you to stay in your room. How long have you been there?
Is it going to be dangerous?
It's what gonna be dangerous.
Crawford.
I can't lie to you, Clem. Yeah, it's gonna be dangerous. But it's the only way to get the things we need to make Omi better and get the boat working. That's why we have to do this. You understand?
I don't want anyone else to die.
else is gonna die. I promise.
You can't promise that.
No, I guess I can't. Sorry.
I guess I should go get ready.
Say what now?
You said you need all of us to do this, and you said I'm a big help, remember? Molly said Crawford is the only place left in Savannah that still has people. That means it must be where my mom and dad are, right?
I don't think I'll find them in Crawford, sweet pea.
Why not?
Because they're good people. And Crawford is a bad place run by bad people. I don't think they would have stayed in a place like that.
How do you know they're good? You've never met them.
Well, they raised you, didn't they?
Can't I come with you?
Ну, если ты будешь... Дайте пожалуйста. Нет, нет, это слишком важно. О чем я говорю? Конечно,
Okay, you can come. But you have to promise to stay quiet and do exactly what you're told the whole time we're there.
Okay, I'm gonna go get ready.
Да блин, опять уже бесит. Вот это. Видите, вот так. Это действительно, ну прям бесит. Умораживается, что вас батится. Кстати, что у нас тут с катером? А ну-ка, говорите. Что там написано? Я отвечал на голову, что после Сирии там вообще не отвечалось. Так. Там.
Check out what I found in the garage. Hatchet, hacksaw, some other tools. Might come in handy on this little break-in.
Зачем тебе
Nice.
вообще эта сетка?
Can I talk to you a minute?
What's up?
I took another look at the boat. She's a 30-footer.
So?
So, we're gonna have a capacity problem. Boat that size ain't gonna hold more than 5 people, even with one of them a kid.
Знаете, мне кажется, что...
Crystal.
Assuming everyone makes it back alive, it's still one too many. Even if we cut Molly loose. Before this is over, I have to make a decision.
You're not serious.
Look, I'm just saying, if we want the best chance of...
Что такое? Ёлки, испугал нас дед. Точнее, доктор.
Who the hell is this?
Это...
This is Bree. She can help us.
Help us how?
I was a student at the school where Crawford keeps their supplies. I know the
Давайте
layout.
уже
With her help, we're in and out fast. Anyone have a problem with that?
I guess not.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's get moving.
Погнали, народ. Ну чё, народ?
Hold up just a sec. You ready?
Ready.
Hey, whoa, hold on a minute. You're not taking her with us. Did you not hear anything I said about the kind of place Crawford is? If you take her in there and they find her,
I'm not leaving her alone in the house with only Omi to protect her. It's just not happening.
For what it's worth, I don't think it's a great idea either.
She's coming. Deal with it.
You heard the man. Let's move out.
Ну что ж, ребят. Погнали. Отдай мне.